Sanibona bafethu. So iOrlando Pirates ngesonto iyodlala against iMagesi FC. Yabo nasi iskeme engasetha mina mase ngithola ithuba. Siyasonke iMagesi FC iyona team le eyakhipha iOrlando Pirates kwi-calling knockouts. Kwakungekho mnandi iscore kwabo 3-2. Yabo iMagesi yahamba yaza yawe final yasalisa ithatha i-calling knockouts ishaya iMamelodi Sundowns ku-2-1. Siyayikhumbula sonke leyo match leyo. But iMagesi FC currently ayenzi kahle. Ihleli number 16 isathanda xoxa ucoach wayo uClinton Larson. Yabo basathanda pointer oNtagama. Mina ngikhumbula nonke oNtagama is a former Orlando Pirates coach. Yabo le game le izobaleka kakhulu for iOrlando Pirates and izobaleka kakhulu for iMagesi FC. iMagesi FC ifuna ukusuka lapha kwi-relegation zone and nayo iOrlando Pirates ifuna ukumatcha iperformance yayo neMamelodi Sundowns because Mamelodi Sundowns ifuna ukuyinweba igap lapha phezulu. So mase singena kahle kwiskeme engasetha mina mase ngithola ithuba siqale goalkeeper wami engamsetha mina uSipho China. Bafethu siyamazi uSipho China is one of our best goalkeepers esinabo kwiOrlando Pirates. Hlezi ngisho lento le bafethu. Yabo he is the second coming of lo mfana lo Senzo Meyo. Yabo may his soul rest in peace uSenzo Meyo. So uSipho China uyena goalkeeper engambeke epalini. Yize dlala neMagesi bafethu iMagesi akusiyithi ongayithatha kancane. Because the last game we played against iMagesi, I feel like sayithatha kancane kakhulu iMagesi. Yabo so nje wasiyodlala nayo ngaqalisa yena lo mfana lo Sipho China epalini lethu. Kuthi kuma center backs wami ngaqalisa uSibisi benosesana. The reason why ngiqalisa laba bafethu laba ihleze ngiyichaze lento i-center back pairing yabo uyasebenzela at the moment. I don't think idinga ukushitshwa leyo ndlela. Yize sa consider last game igoli elilawuzi. Yabo I feel like ucoach mela asebenze lapho abatshela abafana baye ku-commenta 8 because if you saw that ball ela commitwa lo mfana lo Sibisi, I feel like uSibisi washesha wa-commita lapha. Yabo washesha washibile because ne-pitch ingekho right. So yangasetha yena uSibisi benosesane ngizwile futhi uXoki benonda uNdawo usezobuya actually uNdawo usezobuya and uXoki sambona ethola ama minutes against iMarumo Gallants ngosikhathi sidlala kwi right wing back yami ngaqalisa lo mfana lo uVan Rooyen. It is one of the best players esibasayinile kule season le sesana kuqala. Yabo ngaqalisa yena ezumdlalo wethu odlala ka right because udlala yakhulu kule game esithanda kuyidlala mfethu ukore igoli washana assist. Yabo that's all you can get for i right wing back yakho sidinga abadlali aba-attacker kule game le iMagesi. And ulumfana lo uzokunikeza lokho yabo engasi futhi angashesha abuye phambili angayika phambili kakhulu kumele abuye futhi because the last game we played wabana ama mistake amaningi ngosikhathi neMagesi. Yabo ngathi lawo ma mistake angaphela kule game le because iMagesi iyakwazi ukcapitalize kuma set piece. So engathi angakwazi ukubuya uVan Rooyen azokhapha space sakhe. Yabo mase sidlala na kuthi ka left back ngifake lo mfana lo uHotho. Siyamazi sonke bafethu uHotho angifuni ukuchaza kakhulu ngoHotho. Ngiyamthanda uHotho left back. Angithanda uHotho lo odlala as i-wing. Yabo uHotho mezodlala as i-wing asinikezi like lento esiyidingayo yabo phambili. Ngcono mezodlala as i-left back uyakwazi ukuphusha phambili kakhulu asinikeze ama-cross and all those type of things yabo. Mase siza la e-center angithanda ukuyi-complicate kakhulu futhi nakhona because the last game we played against iMagesi FC I feel like sa-complicate izinto kakhulu in that game. Yabo saqalisa abadlali abangakaze bayiqala i-match ndawonye because umukhumbula kahle lapha saqalisa uRaseboja owathola i-yellow card i-game sathana kuqala. Saqalisa lo mfana lo uDlamini kudlala uDlamini noRaseboja eswini mase kuthi phambi kwabo kube khona lo mfana lo Kimvidi. Yabona nje leyo combination yayingekho right for that game. Yabo at that time ucoach wabona engazuthi mhlawumbe kwakuzoba i-combination right for leya game but iMagesi eyenzile homework kuthina thina sasingakayazi kahle kahle iMagesi ngaleza ikhathi. So kwi game yangesonto ngaqalisa uMbatha benoMakhehleni Makhawula abantu esibajwayele abantu abajwayele ukudlala vele lapha yabo kwi-center Orlando Pirates abantu abadeliver ngempela. Nimbonile uMbatha last game performance ayideliver for iOrlando Pirates 10 out of 10 performance yabo. So ngaqalisa uMbatha benoMakhehleni Makhawula bayazi into abayenzayo kulesa sisi at the moment yabo. Number 10 role njoba siyodlala nje against iMagesi FC i-bit trick yabo. Abanye abantu mhlawumbe bangibiza ngoplumber but ubuyile bafethu uMasiwanganye ukubuya kwaMasiwanganye lokho kuzokuchazela kahle ukuthi uMasiwanganye kumele athole i-role yakhe. Mina ngikhumbula kahle the reason why uMasiwanganye engadlalanga last game wayesuspended wathola ama-yellow card amaningi ngosikhathi sidlala against iStellenbosch yabo. So aba-suspended ke umjita. So le game yeMagesi ngenzeka abe khona ngenzeka angabi khona yabo based on ucoach i-selection kacoach yabo. So kule game yeMagesi umfana ngamqalisa as number 10 wethu. Not saying uDlamini akwazi ukudlala as number 10. uDlamini uyakwazi ukudlala as number 10 but kule game le ngaqalisa lo mfana lo Masiwanganye as number 10. Last game we played against iMarumo Gallants lo mfethu lo uDlamini was exceptional at the number 10 role, yabo, was exceptional. But the reason why ngimqalisa ku number 10 uTito is because ku right wing yami ngaqalisa lo mfana lo uDlamini. Mina mazi kahle uDlamini uyakwazi ukudlala as right winger, yabo. Uyakwazi ukudlala as right winger and angasinikeza lento esiyifunayo. The reason why ngidlalisa kanje bafethu, mhlawumbe niyayibuza ukuthi hayibo why uDlamini edlala as right winger. Yabo vele before sekwayidlala as right winger. So kule game le stadium esodlala kusona iOld Peter Mokaba Stadium. Minyazi pitch yakhona. Ipitch yakhona is not a wide pitch like iOrlando Stadium. Yabo lama pitch lawa esajayela ukudlala kuona. The reason why sidlala lapha is because stadium iNew Peter Mokaba Stadium idamagekile yabo due to iperformance kaMakhathi. So sizodlala lapha kwiOld Peter Mokaba Stadium. Yabo lesi stadium lesasincane. So ukudlala ukufaka kakhulu abadlali abathanda ukushaya ama cross kakhulu bayosidalela ukuthi amabhola aphume lapho. So ukudlalisa umdlali okwaziyo ukubeka ibhola phansi. Udlalisa uTito Maswanga same game beno Dlamini. Udlalise yabo abantu abakwazi ukudlala ibhola abakwazi ukudlala nama teammates wabo. I feel like leyo nto leyo ngasenze Orlando Pirates siligcina kakhulu ibhola lihambe phansi lingaloki liya phezulu liba ma long ball kakhulu yabo. So ngaqaliswa yena uDlamini as right winger yethu. Kuma sekuthi left wing yethu ngaqalisa lo mfana lo Mfukeng. Angifuni ukuchaza kakhulu Mfukeng bafethu. I feel like umfana useyiprove kakhulu ku Orlando Pirates ukuthi kahle kahle yena he's there to stay ku Orlando Pirates. Yabo he's there to stay and uyalithanda impela le club le. So ngaqalisa yena mfethu uMfukeng as left wing yethu. Mase kuthi ku number 9 wethu striker sethu bafethu. Istriker seOrlando Pirates engasiqalisa. Striker seOrlando Pirates engasiqalisa yize bengingathanda ukuqalisa uRadio Bana. But uRadio Bana I don't think uready ukuyiqala imatch. I don't know why ngisho lokho but I don't think uready ukuyiqala imatch. Angaqalisa yena lo mfana lo uMakhopa because usona striker vele sijwayele ukuqala kuOrlando Pirates. Last game aqalanga because yabo uMabasa bemela adlale mfethu. Ziningi izinto sesiyibonile uMakhopa ezingasigcolisi. So ngaqalisa yena uMakhopa mfethu. Khopa Dowski mfethu. Yeah, ngaqalisa yena uMakhopa. Maybe abanye abantu bangafuna uRadio Bana athola ama minutes. I don't know. Kukuwena lokho mfethu but for me uMakhopa kule game le uzoqala. The reason why ngaqala uMabasa is because uMabasa last game that we played against Marumo Gallants wathole yellow card. Leyo nto leyo izomforce ekutheni ayimise le match leso idlala against iMagesi FC, which is not a good thing yabo, which is not a good thing but ke ayikho into esingayenza bafethu. Those are the laws of the game yabo. When you get ama yellow cards amaningi obviously khona ama matches awuzowamisa because of disciplinary yakho shothi wena ukwazi ukuyiphatha. So mina iyona ke lineup le engayisetha yabo. Ungangitshela ama comments uthi ngabe ikuphatha kahle le lineup le. Are you happy with this lineup? No, makhona ama changes wena ongawenza. Ungangibhalela wena ilineup yakho kuma comments. Yabo ungakhohlwa usubscribe lo Uvane Sports seyatholakala nala ka YouTube, ngikhona TikTok, ngikhona na ka Facebook nguvane Sport nakhona. In fact everywhere yabo, each and every social media platform ongayibheka nguvane Sports. Yabo ngafethu for support yenu, ungakhohlwa usubscribe, ulike.